Hey beautiful souls! Welcome back to Home and Harmony, where we transform spaces into havens of style and serenity. Today, we're diving into the effortlessly chic world of Normann Copenhagen to create that perfect summer apartment vibe. If you're craving that fresh, minimalist aesthetic that feels both sophisticated and utterly livable, you're in for a treat. Before we begin this design journey together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Trust me, your future self will thank you when your space looks absolutely stunning. Let's create some magic together. Your entryway sets the tone for your entire home, and Normann Copenhagen knows this beautifully. Think clean lines with warm functionality, a sleek wooden coat rack reminiscent of their iconic designs, paired with a simple woven basket for shoes. Add a circular mirror with a thin brass frame to reflect light and create the illusion of space. The key is embracing elegance, that perfect Swedish balance of not too much, not too little. A single statement piece, like a geometric wall hook in soft pastels, instantly elevates the space while maintaining that effortless Scandinavian charm. Storage doesn't have to be boring, darling. Channel Normann Copenhagen's philosophy by choosing pieces that serve multiple purposes with style. A narrow bench with built-in storage becomes your shoe solution and seating area. Opt for light woods, like birch or oak, and add a soft linen cushion in dusty rose or sage green. Install floating shelves at varying heights for keys, sunglasses, and small plants. The magic happens when everything has its place, but the arrangement feels organic and lived in rather than sterile. Open-plan living is where Scandinavian design truly shines, and summer calls for maximizing that gorgeous natural light. Start with a neutral base. Think creamy whites and soft grays. Then layer in texture through natural materials. Position your sofa to face the windows, not just the TV, creating a conversation area that celebrates the view. Add a low-profiled media console in light wood. And introduce greenery with large-leafed plants like monstera or fiddle leaf figs. The goal is creating zones that flow seamlessly while maintaining that airy, uncluttered feel. Your dining area should feel like a breath of fresh air, literally. Normann Copenhagen's approach to dining spaces emphasizes clean geometry and natural materials. Choose a round dining table in light wood. It's more social and takes up less visual space than rectangular options. Pair it with mismatched chairs in the same color family for that effortless, collected, over-time look. Add a pendant light with organic shapes, perhaps in ceramic or woven materials. Keep table decor minimal. A single vase with wildflowers or a bowl of summer fruit creates that perfect Hygge moment. The Scandinavian kitchen is all about less is more luxury. Start with your cabinet faces if you can't renovate. Consider adding simple wooden handles or painting them in soft, matte colors. Keep countertops clear except for beautiful, functional items like a wooden cutting board or ceramic canisters. Your small coffee machine becomes decor when it's sleek and well-positioned. You can add warmth with a single wooden stool, perfect for that morning coffee moment. The secret is making everyday objects look intentional and beautiful through careful selection and thoughtful placement. Modern living demands spaces that work as hard as we do. Your home office corner should embody Scandinavian efficiency, every element earning its place. Choose a simple desk in natural wood with clean lines, and add a vintage-inspired desk lamp for task lighting. A small radio in brushed metal or wood veneer adds personality while keeping you connected to the world. Incorporate a unique small desk clock, perhaps in marble or brass, as both functional tool and sculptural element. The key is creating a workspace that inspires productivity while maintaining that serene, clutter-free aesthetic. Every home needs a dedicated space for quiet moments, and Normann Copenhagen's cozy minimalism creates the perfect reading sanctuary. Position a comfortable chair, think organic curves and neutral upholstery, near a window for natural light. Add a small side table for your coffee and books, choosing pieces with interesting textures like woven rattan or smooth ceramics. A floor lamp with warm, diffused light extends your reading hours into the evening. Layer in a soft throw blanket and a small cushion for ultimate comfort. This corner becomes your personal retreat from the world. Your bedroom should feel like a cloud, soft, airy, and utterly peaceful. Normann Copenhagen's approach to bedrooms emphasizes natural materials and soothing colors. Choose bedding in linen or organic cotton and whites, soft grays or muted pastels. Keep furniture minimal. A low-profile bed frame in light wood, a simple nightstand, and perhaps a single accent chair. Add warmth with a woven rug and depth with varying textures. The magic happens when you can breathe deeply. The moment you entered the space, natural light should filter gently through sheer curtains, creating that perfect summer morning glow. Small bathrooms can feel spacious with the right Scandinavian approach. Focus on light colors and natural materials. White tiles with wood accents create instant warmth. Choose a simple, modern sink basin and add storage through floating shelves. In light wood, a large mirror reflects light and creates the illusion of space. Add personality with a single plant that thrives in humidity, like a snake plant or pothos. Keep accessories minimal but beautiful. A wooden soap dispenser, white towels, and perhaps a ceramic tray for essentials. The goal is creating a spa-like retreat in your own home. Your shower area deserves the same thoughtful design attention as any other space. Embrace the Scandinavian love of natural materials by adding wood accents where possible. A teak shower, caddy, or wooden bath mat brings warmth to the space. Choose simple geometric shower fixtures in brushed brass or matte black for that modern edge. Add a touch of luxury with fluffy white towels and a single, beautiful soap dispenser. The key is making your daily routine feel like a mindful ritual, rather than a rushed necessity. Your balcony becomes an extension of your Scandinavian sanctuary during summer months. Start with comfortable seating, a simple wooden chair or bench with soft cushions in weather-resistant fabrics. Add plants at varying heights using simple planters and natural materials like ceramic or woven baskets. String lights create magical evening ambience, while a small side table provides space for your morning coffee or evening wine. The goal is creating an outdoor room that feels connected to your interior design while embracing the fresh air and natural light. Outdoor furniture should be both beautiful and practical. Choose pieces that echo your interior design, clean lines, natural materials, and neutral colors. A simple wooden bench can be softened with weather-resistant cushions in soft colors. Add a small outdoor rug to define the space and create coziness. Plants in various sizes create privacy and bring life to the area. The secret is treating your outdoor space with the same design consideration as your interior rooms, creating a seamless flow between inside and outside living. The beauty of Normann Copenhagen's design philosophy lies in how all elements work together harmoniously. Your summer apartment should feel like a cohesive story, each room connected through consistent color palettes, natural materials, and clean lines. The key is restraint. Choose pieces you absolutely love rather than filling every space. Let natural light be your best decoration, and remember that negative space is just as important as the furniture you choose. Your home should breathe with you, adapting to your needs while maintaining that effortless, sophisticated charm. Creating a Normann Copenhagen-inspired space isn't just about following trends. It's about embracing a lifestyle that values quality, functionality, and beauty in equal measure. Remember, the best design choices are the ones that make you feel most at home. Start with one room, one corner, or even one beautiful piece that speaks to you. Design is a journey, not a destination. And every small change contributes to creating a space that truly reflects who you are. And there you have it, gorgeous humans, your complete guide to creating that dreamy Normann Copenhagen-inspired summer apartment. Remember, the most beautiful spaces are the ones that feel authentically you. So take these ideas and make them your own. Your home should be your sanctuary, your creative expression, and your daily source of joy. If this video inspired you to transform your space, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Share your before and after photos, ask questions, or simply let me know which tip excited you most. Don't forget to subscribe to Home in Harmony for more design inspiration. That'll keep your creativity flowing. Until next time, keep creating beauty in your everyday spaces. You've got this.